In the first 5 months of this year, profits at China's major industrial firms rose 18.8% year-on-year, while profits in the electronics sector more than doubled, surging 103.9%. By the end of 2025, the number of foreign invested enterprises in China had reached 533,000, with cumulative FDI stock approaching $4 trillion. Two sets of figures, one unmistakable trend. The opportunities that China provides are expanding. At this year's summer Davos in Dalian, that evolution was captured in a new phrase: China Opportunity 2.0. So, what exactly has changed? 3 shifts help explain it. First, from world's factory to factory for factories.
The historic keywords for China, or Chinese brands, is fast, reliable delivery, extremely low prices, and high quality production. China is trusted for producing good quality products, and it's no surprise that both Tesla and Apple get a large number of their products made in China, because they know that China can be relied upon to do those things. China no longer wants to be seen as made in China. They want to be seen as created in China.
That ambition is now taking shape. More multinational companies are setting up R&D centers and regional headquarters in China, integrating more deeply into the country's innovation ecosystem and industrial supply chains. In 2025, newly established foreign invested enterprises in scientific research and technical services increased 27.2% year-on-year, reaching nearly 14,000. China offers something few places can match: an end-to-end innovation ecosystem, where companies can move seamlessly from research and prototyping to large-scale manufacturing.
I think China used to be a factory for the world. I think in the next days, China can be the factory for factories, right?
Joan Gai, chairman of McKinsey China, has described China as the factory for factories, a place where global companies don't just manufacture or sell products, but also train, learn, innovate, and co-create. Second, technology is becoming borderless. China champions open innovation, much of it along open-source pathways. Chinese open-source AI models have now surpassed 10 billion cumulative downloads worldwide.
So a lot of work we do in China with AI is also based on Chinese AI models. That is very important, and there's a good bridge to the use cases of the robotics, because also the robotics startups are using a lot of these Chinese AI models.
Major scientific facilities in fields such as nuclear fusion and quantum technology are open to international researchers, while the Tiangong space station is preparing to welcome foreign astronauts. China Opportunity 2.0 reflects a broader shift. As advanced technologies become more accessible, the benefits of innovation can be shared more widely. Third, an ever more open door to shared development. China does not pursue trade surpluses for its own sake. Instead, it continues to expand market access and share the opportunities of its vast domestic market. In the first 5 months of this year, imports grew 20.5% year-on-year, outpacing export growth by 8.7 percentage points. China now grants zero tariff treatment to 63 countries and has ranked second globally in import volume for 17 consecutive years. At a time of growing global economic uncertainty, openness itself has become an increasingly scarce resource. The growing attention around China Opportunity 2.0 suggests that the so-called China shock narrative is giving way to a more constructive global outlook. For Europe and other advanced economies, China Opportunity 2.0 does mean facing stronger and more cost-competitive Chinese competitors. But for those willing to engage pragmatically with China's increasingly open market, balancing efficiency with resilience, it also offers new opportunities in the evolving global economy.